Staring at a black screen instead of your CarPlay navigation in your Jeep Wrangler is beyond frustrating. The good news is that 80% of these connectivity failures are just temporary software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your head unit back to life. Start with the basics by swapping your cable and checking the physical port for debris. Next, go into your iPhone settings to forget the Jeep connection and ensure your iOS is fully updated. If that fails, perform a soft reset of the Uconnect system by holding the power and tune buttons simultaneously. Most issues are solved by these steps, but hardware failures will require a trip to the dealer. As you can see, cables are the most common culprit, so do not overlook the simple stuff. For persistent black screens, try pulling the negative battery terminal to force a full system power cycle. You will only need a basic 10mm wrench and a high-quality cable to perform these checks. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical components and never force a connector. If you're still seeing a black screen after these steps, it is time to have a technician scan for codes.